Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is February 27th. The month is winding down, and we've got first notice day tomorrow on the March contracts for grains. And it's got March corn up about 4.5 today. March beans up 9 3/4 cents, but March wheat down 1.5 pennies. So the reason for that is mostly because you guys are not expecting to see any deliveries made for corn and beans. We can see some deliveries, though, for wheat. We've got tighter ending stocks for corn and beans. We've got cash markets that are very strong for corn and beans, so probably not going to be looking at any deliveries for those. Now, for wheat, a little different story there. So we'll see how tomorrow plays out. It will be kind of interesting to see if they're going to continue to squeeze some of these nearby contracts, mostly for corn. We've seen a strong move over the last couple days. And for beans, a pretty strong move again, and a pretty decent close today for beans. So we'll see. So we got first notice day tomorrow we've got to pay attention to. Also, export sales out tomorrow morning. So corn, they're expecting 350,000 to 450,000 tons. Beans, 750 to 1 million. And then for wheat, 400 to 600. So we have seen some sales of corn this week. It's been a while since we've seen that. We've seen a little bit better sales for beans. China is now back from their New Year's holiday that they were on. And then the wheat, we are still the cheapest wheat around. So could see some decent sales. At least that's what the expectations are pointing at tomorrow. So we'll see that tomorrow morning at 7:30. Now, some of these outside markets, we've had this big concern this week of what kind of budget cuts to debt problems we've got, you name it. What's going to happen here March 1st? As they're calling it a sequester to all sorts of different names that they've thrown at this. We've had this kind of scared money over the last few days, but today, maybe a little different story. The dollar right now down about 33 cents. So after seeing a big rally this week, taking back 33 of that here today, if we see that dollar continue to go lower, that may be supportive for commodities in general, but we'll watch that. We haven't had that relationship recently. Crude oil, 22 cents higher, 92.82 a barrel. We've still quite a ways off the top here as far as crude, but still staying above that $90 to $91 support levels. Stock market. Earlier this week, we saw that crash right near the close where it was down 216 points. Right now, it's up 215. That's after a small gain there yesterday as well. So not too bad. So all this concern, all this scared emotion early in the week, starting to not really care, thinking that we're going to see something done. It's not going to be a big deal at all. The S&P today up 24 points, back to 1517. And gold and silver, which were looked at as a safe haven over the last few days, giving back a lot of their gains as well. Gold down 23, silver down 45 cents right now. So certainly something to watch over the next few days. As far as livestock, fat cattle about 57 higher today. So stronger move as far as cattle, 129.85 for those Aprils. Box beef, though, coming in strong. Choice up 82, but select up $2.03. Very strong move there. We'll see if that's going to be a little bit more supportive for these prices. But we've got to watch the cash this week. Can we see cash trade higher? That's going to be more of a stronger mark here for the cattle if we can see that cash work a little higher. Hogs down 77 cents today, 80.80. We've seen actually kind of a wild ride for hogs throughout the session, back and forth of unchanged, but finishing lower. We've seen the cash markets try to edge a little higher yesterday, but we've got to watch that. We still don't have a lot of positive news right now for the hogs, and it's pretty apparent here with these futures. We continue to drift lower. So a lot going on. I do want to invite you guys to take part of our survey. We've got our acreage survey out there right now on our website. Please feel free to punch in your numbers. We need your help. You guys are a big part of why we do this and want to make sure that we get you the best numbers we can. So give us a call at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today, and we'll talk to you later.